Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, your go-to destination for everything tech, innovation, and futuristic gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest leaks shaking the drone community to its core, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Yes, that's right, a leaked image of the retail box has surfaced online, and it has the entire tech world buzzing. But here's the thing. This isn't just some casual leak or rumor. This is the type of reveal that confirms months of speculation and brings jaw-dropping details that might just change the drone market for years to come. So, buckle up, because in this breakdown we're going to analyze everything the leaks reveal, from features, pricing, accessories, entrance upgrades, and the all-important camera system that could make this DJI Mini 5 Pro the best compact aerial videography drone of 2025. DJI Mini 5 Pro leak. Why it's a big deal, you know that feeling when a tech leak hits and suddenly the entire internet loses its mind. That's exactly what's happening right now. The retail box leak of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has practically confirmed some of the biggest rumors we've been hearing for months. And trust me, these details aren't minor. They redefine what a sub-250G drone can actually do. Front and center on the leaked box art, we see the Mini 5 Pro bundled with the DJI RC2 controller. This isn't your regular controller. The RC2 features a built-in display, which means no more awkwardly attaching your smartphone with clunky mounts for drone enthusiasts, travelers, and creators. This is a huge leap forward in terms of convenience. Straight out of the box, you're ready to fly with minimal hassle. But that's not all. DJI has labeled the package as the Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2, which hints that this is going to be the premium option, designed for those who want the absolute best experience. Extended flight time. A game changer. Here's where the leak gets truly wild. The retail box confirms 52 minutes of flight time per battery. And with 3 batteries in the Fly More combo, that's over 2.5 hours in the air. Let that sink in for a second. For years, one of the biggest frustrations among drone pilots has been limited flight time. Whether you're filming an epic travel vlog, shooting real estate footage, or capturing stunning cinematic landscapes, battery anxiety has always been a problem. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI's flipping the script. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's an entrance revolution. Travelers no longer need to carry 5 or 6 batteries just to get through a day of shooting. Content creators can now spend more time crafting the perfect aerial shot and less time landing and swapping batteries. For professional videographers, this could be the difference between capturing a golden hour masterpiece or missing it entirely. Price breakdown. Surprisingly reasonable. X didn't just stop with features. We also got a full price breakdown for the accessories and add-ons. Standard intelligent flight battery, $69. Intelligent flight battery plus, $992. Charging hub, $1 for 9 extra propellers, $19. Quick release prop guard, $6.9. Filter set, $5.5. 5G Care refresh 1 year, $80. DJI Care refresh 2 years, $129 for a flagship mini drone. These prices are surprisingly reasonable. DJI has always balanced performance with value, but this lineup looks like they're trying to dominate every segment, from hobbyists to professional drone filmmakers. Under 249 grams, the legal sweet spot. Of the most exciting confirmations from this leak is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro weighs under 249 grams. Why is that important? Because in many countries, including the US, drones under 250 grams don't require FAA registration. For casual drone pilots, travelers, and beginners, this is a golden ticket. You get pro-level features and insane performance, but without the regulatory headaches. It's basically the best of both worlds. A drone light enough to skip restrictions, but powerful enough to compete with larger, more expensive models. Next level obstacle avoidance and bilgy, and just sticking to entrance upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro introduces a new front-mounted LiDAR sensor that improves obstacle detection, even in tricky conditions like low light, fog, or complex terrain. For pilots flying in forests, urban areas, or at night, this is a lifesaver. And guess what? DJI has finally ditched the one-time use prop screws from the Mini 4. Instead, the Mini 5 Pro uses a tap-in twist system, making propeller changes faster, easier, and frustration-free. On top of that, leaks suggest a new quick power on button placed on the top of the drone. This allows you to get airborne in seconds, perfect for those spontaneous moments when the perfect shot suddenly appears. The camera filmmaker's dream. Here's the part that's going to make every content creator's jaw drop. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor. That means dramatically better low-light performance, dynamic range, and image quality compared to its predecessor. Let's break down what this means in real terms. 4K at 120 FPS, perfect for butter-smooth slow-motion footage, cinematic night shots, no more grainy, washed-out low-light scenes, true vertical shooting. Capture content specifically for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without awkward cropping. 225 gimbal rotation, and lock impossible shots with extreme angles and creative freedom. This camera system positions the Mini 5 Pro not just as a drone for casual hobbyists, but as a serious tool for professional aerial videography and content creators in 2025. Rumored release to Teso. When can you expect to actually get your hands on this beast? Rumors point to a September 2025 launch, possibly even on September 16th. Typically, retail box leaks like this surface only weeks before the official reveal. That means we're closer than ever to DJI pulling back the curtain and dropping the full details. If history is anything to go by, DJI will likely announce bundles, official accessories, and software updates to go along with the Mini 5 Pro very soon. Why the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a game changer. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete rethinking of what a compact drone should be. Think of it as packing sports car level power into a street-legal go-kart. Lightweight, portable, legally flexible, but with the performance of drones twice its size. It's designed for travel vloggers who want high-quality aerial footage without carrying bulky gear, professional videographers looking for a reliable backup drone that still delivers cinematic quality, drone enthusiasts who want endurance, portability, and cutting-edge features, social media creators who need vertical video capabilities straight out of the camera. DJI clearly understands the direction of content creation in 2025 and is tailoring the Mini 5 Pro to be the ultimate creator's drone. Final thoughts. Leaked retail box of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has given us more than just a sneak peek. It's practically confirmed that DJI is about to release the most powerful mini drone we've ever seen, with record-breaking flight times, professional-level cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance, and pro accessories at surprisingly fair prices. The only question left is, will the Mini 5 Pro live up to the hype when DJI officially announces it? Based on what we've seen so far, the answer seems like a resounding yes. So, what do you think? Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the drone you've been waiting for? Will you be upgrading from the Mini 4 Pro? Or is this going to be your first step into the world of aerial photography? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the official reveal and my full review once this drone officially drops. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might just redefine the future of compact drone technology, and we'll be here to cover every detail.